IVM.
The eternal stud is back. जब भी हम लोग सोचते थे कि गुड लुकिंग कैसा होना है, हैंडसम कैसा होना है, हम लोग अर्जुन रामपाल के बारे में सोचते थे और उसके बाद हम टेबल के नीचे झुक के छुप जाते थे. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द स्टड मशीन अर्जुन रामपाल. कैसे हो मेरे भाई?
अरे यार, कहाँ स्टड मशीन, अब वो टाइम गया.
अरे अर्जुन,
तुम्हारा
हमेशा ऐसा ही रहता है यार. तुम्हारा स्टड वाला सीन हमेशा रहता है यार. इवन द ग्रे स्ट्रैंड्स लुक गुड ऑन यू ब्रदर.
थैंक यू ब्रो, थैंक यू.
यू नो, मुझे अंदर के सूत्र जो होते हैं ना हमारे इंडस्ट्री में, वो कहते हैं अर्जुन रामपाल इज बैंगिंग इन नेल पॉलिश. ही इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. टेल मी, व्हाई डोंट आई सी, जेन्युइनली दिल से कहता हूं, अर्जुन रामपाल को इतना ऑफन जैसे मैं पहले उनको देखता था. क्या हो गया?
उसका दोष आपको राइटर्स को देना होगा. लिखते ही नहीं अच्छी चीज है, क्या करें. तो मैं रुका था. जब अच्छी कहानियां आएंगी तभी जाके वापस फिर मैं आऊंगा, करूंगा. और अब अच्छी फिल्में आ रही है. तो एक्चुअली 2020 वाज सपोज्ड टू बी अ पैक्ड ईयर फॉर मी. बहुत सारे कमाल के स्क्रिप्ट्स थे मेरे पास, नेल पॉलिश बीइंग वन ऑफ देम. मगर फिर पैंडेमिक हो गया. उसके दौरान सबको घर पे ही बैठना पड़ा, which was again a big learning experience I think for all of us. और अब नेल पॉलिश बन गई है. पेंट हाउस भी खत्म कर दी मैंने अब्बास मस्तान के साथ, which has got Bobby Sharman, myself, Abrar and Cyrus Brocha in it. It's going to be one hell of a film. एक दूसरी फिल्म कर रहा था, The Last Battle of Bhima Koregaon. वो भी, उसकी भी शूटिंग रोकनी पड़ी during the lockdown.
But you know what? You shot nail polish during the lockdown, during COVID times. When Manav Kaul was tested positive, Anand Tiwari भी आपके co-actor वो tested positive हुए. क्या वो आपका बैलेंस, मेंटल बैलेंस थोड़ा शेकअप किया इस कारणों की वजह से?
मैं तो बिल्कुल हिल गया था, क्योंकि जब तरुण कटियाल जो जी के हेड हैं, उन्होंने जब कहा था कि नेल पॉलिश की शूटिंग करने वाले हैं, तो मैंने कहा कि भाई कोविड के टाइम पे तो मैं बाहर नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मेरा 1 साल का बच्चा है घर पे. अब इट्स टू डेंजरस एंड इट्स टू रिस्की. तो इसे यार तू एक बार स्क्रिप्ट तो पढ़ ले, सब कुछ देख ले, इफ यू लाइक इट डू इट. बग्स ने जब कहानी दी, आई वाज टोटली फ्लॉर्ड बाय द स्क्रिप्ट. इतनी जबरदस्त प्यारी सी स्क्रीन प्ले बहुत ही दिनों बाद पढ़ने को मिली. उसके दौरान जो कितने भी किरदार इंस्पायर, इतने खूबसूरती से उनका जो ग्राफ निकल कर आया है, यू नो, इट्स रियली रियली स्पेशल दिस मूवी. तो जो मेरे अंदर का जो आर्टिस्ट था, वो उसने कहा कि भाई ये फिल्म तो करनी है, इसको ना बोल ही नहीं सकते. तो हमने शूटिंग शुरू कर दी और फिर जाके मानव और आबादी कोविड हो गया, पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स आ गए उनके, और मैं उनके साथ ही शूटिंग कर रहा था उसी एक ही कमरे में. और एक्चुअली मानव और मेरा एक सीन चल रहा था, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सीन इन द फिल्म. एंड वी जस्ट रिहर्स्ड, वी गॉट रेडी, सब कुछ तैयार था, वी वर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट शूटिंग. और बाहर बारिश भी हो रही थी, काफी तेजी से बारिश हो रही थी. और बग्स केम इन एंड ही सेड लेट्स कैंसिल द शूट. तो मैंने बोला क्यों? वी जस्ट गॉट रेडी, प्लीज डोंट कैंसिल, वी वर रेडी टू गो. तो ही सेड नहीं, यू नो इट्स रेनिंग अ लॉट, पुलिस भी आ गई है यहाँ पर, वो बोल रहे हैं कि सबको घर जाना चाहिए, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग, सो एवरीबडी नीड्स टू गो बैक होम. तो बोला ठीक है. आई वेंट बैक टू माय वैन. फिर थोड़ी देर बाद somebody knocked on my van. They said Bug sir is calling you to his van. तो मैं बोला अभी ये क्या हो गया, बहुत गंदी एक्टिंग कर दी, क्या हो गया कि ये बुला रहा है डायरेक्टर मुझे अपने वैन में. मैं गया उनके ट्रेलर में और वहां पर मानव भी बैठे थे, सब लोग बैठे थे. अर्जुन, Anand has tested positive for COVID. So I was like, oh damn, because I was shooting with him the day before. So I was like, so now we all have to get tested. He said yes. I was like, और मानव के टेस्ट, उसका रिजल्ट क्या? तभी हमारे प्रोड्यूसर को फोन आया और उन्हें खबर मिली कि मानव भी पॉजिटिव है. स्टॉप ब्लॉक में जो गुल हुए हैं उस वैन के अंदर से मानव और उसकी with his mug of tea, वो ये रह गया था उस वैन में. एवरीबडी डिसअपियर्ड, सब गुल हो गए थे. और मैं तो बहुत घबरा गया था, क्योंकि मैं बोला आई एम डेफिनेटली एक्सपोज्ड टू दिस वायरस नाउ, क्योंकि मैं उन्हीं के साथ एक्टिंग कर रहा था. तो घर आया, I went into this room where I had to quarantine myself for 2 weeks. Okay, I had to test myself every 5 days. I think I must be the most tested man in COVID in India right now. I think I've got some 25 tests done over this whole lockdown period. Because every time my child got sick or anybody got sick or somebody got a cough, we'd all get a COVID test. So, yeah, it was crazy times.
Yeah, you're hale, you're hearty. But मुझे बताओ, आप देखा जाए, I don't know whether you're aware of this, तुम्हारे career 2021 में you're going to complete 20 years. You
Yes,
started
sir.
in 2001. माने 20 साल अर्जुन रामपाल का. I mean, you've been around, you've been, handling whatever's coming your way. ये 20 साल में, if I told you to sum up your journey, looking back, high points, low points, वो सब क्या रहे हैं तुम्हारे?
I think you have to have highs and lows. That's part of life. There have been many in my life. A lot of lows, a lot of highs. High points, I would definitely say, was when I won the national award. From a career point of view, I think that was a really, really big, high point, which I didn't see it coming from any level. Low points are, when in this industry, if you are down, then you're alone. And that's when you go through your lows. And that's what happens. So, but you take it. That's how it is. That's how you have to work. And when the low points happen, then no one's really around you except for the people who really do believe in your talent, who really do believe in what you stand for and what you want to be. It's also points which help you to discover yourself better. So I think without the lows, you cannot have the highs. So it's all part of the journey, and there have been many in my life. And when I write a biography, I think I'll be able to better describe it.
जब तुम आए इंडस्ट्री में, people सिर्फ तुम्हारे लुक्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, good looking man, stud muffin, delicious looking guy, XYZ. और फिर तुमने प्रूव किया as an actor, and I must say you are a very good actor. Rock on हो, राजनीति हो, you've proved it. But suddenly मुझे कहीं लगा कि अर्जुन रामपाल एक फ्रंट फुट पे थे. I mean, you were getting there. You understand in terms of perception. And tuck, something happened, and then we didn't see you in that many films. What went wrong?
Well, actually, there was a choice I had to make. There was a time which I just didn't feel connected to the kind of work that I was getting, and that was one part of it. The other part of it was personally, I was going through a lot. My mom had fallen ill with cancer. And for me, that was absolutely devastating. And so I put everything on hold. I stopped signing films. I really wanted her to beat cancer and come out of it. And so I was traveling everywhere with her, gone to all the best doctors in all over the world, and tried to figure out how we can, fight it. She was stage 4 breast cancer, and doctors in India had given her 2 months. Okay. She was a warrior. She stood by it. And for 4 years, we fought that battle, and I was alongside her. So were my family members. At the same time, there was my personal life. I was going through a separation in my marriage, So there were a lot of things that required my energy to focus on my personal life, more than my professional life. And that's where I was focusing my energies into. From 2019 onwards, I started getting back to, starting to read scripts and working. And I met my partner now, Gabriella, and we have a beautiful baby boy. So things have started to lift up again. And, I got really, really great subjects and films and all of that together. So it's really what you put your mind to and what you put your energy towards. At that point in time, I felt, it was my mother who has sacrificed so much in her life for all her kids. She required all my time and energy at that point in time. So I was focusing everything towards that. And I have no regrets about that. And it has got, I feel those were the worst and best 5 years of my life in a way, because I got to spend that time with my mother, time which maybe I had neglected her because of concentrating on my career, on my profession, about your children, your family, and all of that. Sometimes mothers get a bit sidelined, and I'm glad that I could spend at least her last 5 years were all with me. So I was very, very grateful about that. that I could do.
Arjun, I'm sure कि तुम्हारी माता जी अगर हमें सुन रही हैं इस वक्त, and I'm sure she's hearing our conversation, वो बहुत खुश हैं आपसे, and वो आपसे बहुत proud भी है, and I know because you know what, I'm glad I'm seeing you back in the movies, my friend, and I genuinely mean that. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हालांकि हम लोग बीच में मिलते थे during those fight leagues and things like that. I'm happy that you're back. यार जब आप, when you're doing films, Rajniti, Rock On, National Awards, collaborating with Shah Rukh Khan, and then suddenly not being there for a while, which you beautifully explained. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि insecurities आती हैं, अर्जुन? तुम्हारे अंदर आई थी यार, you were in the A-list bracket, and I know, these are just terminologies, but insecurities हुई थी?
Insecurities, I mean, you have insecurity, you will only be insecure if you are not sure about what you want to do. That's the only time I feel insecure, is when I get worried about what am I going to do. Okay. I know what I want to do. I want to make good films. I want to be part of good productions. I want to produce good films. Okay. And as even as a producer, that's the only thing I know how to do. So for me, I was never insecure about that factor. That's why even in times which, I would say were rough, okay, when scripts would just come to me, and they would want to pay me a lot of money to do those films, okay, I would refuse them and say, nahi yaar, theek hai, I can't do this, and so I think if I was insecure, I would do everything and anything just to stay out there. People ask me, why do you do less films? As actually, it's better to do less films because what's the point of doing lots of films which nobody sees? It's as good as doing no films. वो आती है जाती है और सब बोलते हैं आपकी अगली पिक्चर कब आ रही थी, और यार परसों ही तो रिलीज हुई थी और किसी ने देखी नहीं. What's the point of doing films like that and have really bad films in your filmography? So it's better कि कम काम करो, अच्छा काम करो, काम that gives you satisfaction. Okay, I think एक चीज जो पैंडेमिक हम सबको सिखा के गई है कि we don't need that much. वो जो जरूरत है, जो हम सोचते हैं कि हमारे ये भी चाहिए, इतना भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, जो ग्रीड है, जो इट्स एक्चुअली अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन. हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? हम ऐसे करते हैं क्योंकि हम किसी चीज से भाग रहे हैं. किससे भाग रहे हैं? 90% ऑफ द टाइम हम खुद से ही भाग रहे हैं.
बहुत सही.
हाँ, तो जब ऐसे वक्त आते हैं और when you spend time on your own and then you really realize what your children's opinions are about you, how much do you really know about your children, how much do you actually know about your loved ones, all these things I think happened over this year, which was important for me to go through again. And even today, like when I look back, I was like, ठीक है, there were times which was कि अरे boss तो गया, अब तो तेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, कोई no one's gonna assign you, कुछ नहीं होगा, nothing's gonna come your way. But I think if you think like that, that will happen. But if you believe in yourself and you're like, नहीं भाई अच्छा काम करना है, suddenly a phone is gonna ring and they'll be like, boss ये script है, आप सुन लो, पढ़ लो, please करनी है, कल ही करनी है और आप ही को करनी है. And then when you read it and you're like, हाँ मुझे ही करनी है और कोई ये कर ही नहीं सकता, because that is the one that you're waiting for. तो सब्र का फल हमेशा मीठा ही होता है, जिसने भी कहा है सच का.
मैं एक चीज बोलूं, जब मैंने आपको ओम शांति ओम में देखा था as the bad guy opposite शाहरुख खान, और फिर रावण में भी you were the bad guy, I thought आपकी और शाहरुख की जोड़ी on screen was sparkling, and I've told that to Shahrukh also in a number of interviews. When are we going to see दो लोग जो अच्छे मित्र हैं, दो लोग जो screen पर भी powerful है together, both of you are bloody powerful together? When do we see that collaboration वापस होने का?
Well, let's see. I mean, you never know कि क्या हो सकता है, what the future has in store for people. We all are artists. We all like to work with each other. Okay. Yes, I've had a fantastic relationship with Shahrukh. He's a great actor. And I've had a great camaraderie with him on screen and off screen. But let's see, unless we don't get something which is really, really, I think, which gets both of us super excited. I mean, there's no point in, speculating about that. But I would be more than happy to.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you were a formidable villain as well, if I could say so. You're probably as strong as the hero. But कभी आप लोग discuss करते हैं आपस में कि यार कुछ करते हैं वापस शाहरुख like good old days?
Not right now, no. We've not had any such discussions. But I think somebody else needs to think. Not us.
Okay. All right. What comes to your mind when I take these names? Farhan Akhtar.
A rock star.
Katrina Kaif.
Indu from Rajneeti.
अगर कुछ anecdotes होगा behind the scene भी आप बताइए हाँ कतरीना के कैफ में whatever comes something that comes to your mind that'll be brilliant too.
I mean Katrina, I've never seen a more hardworking actor than Katrina. She उन्होंने जो राजनीति में भी जब हम लोग काम कर रहे थे साथ में उन्होंने एक साइड पे थे नाना पाटेकर, मनोज बाजपेयी, अजय देवगन और हमारी पार्टी थी अर्जुन रामपाल, कटरीना कैफ और रणबीर कपूर. मेरे हमारे तो बैंड बजने वाली है इस फिल्म में, वो भी प्रकाश झा की फिल्म. And she was so nervous about that. She said, "You all better act well. You all are part of my party and all of that." So, yeah, she's a great girl. She's always warm, always loving, and really one of the most hardworking people I've had the privilege to meet.
Shah Rukh Khan.
King Khan.
All right. Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra. I would say go-getter like no one else. I mean, wow, what spunk she has. Ambitious, hardworking, a lot of grit, a lot of determination, and so much self-belief that it makes even a man, feel like, "Arey baap re, wow, that's somebody."
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar is a ajgar. सब कुछ खा जाता है.
I'm so happy for you. You got a lovely partner, Gabriella. You've got a lovely son. What keeps this bond with you and Gabriella so special, Arjun?
I think it's a lot of we are very like-minded. I think Gabriella and I very, very similar interests. We have the same understanding of life. A lot of very similar things that uncannily, we discovered. Like her grandmother's also Dutch, my grandmother's also Dutch. You know what I mean? They're very weird things. So there are many things like that. I think that's what is something which, and at the same time, we're really good friends. I think, we understand each other, give each other our space. And we spend so much time together and we don't get bored of each other. मैंने तो बोला यार ऐसे लग रहा है 20 साल से जानता हूँ तुम्हें.
आप हमेशा कहते थे कि रणबीर कपूर आपका छोटा भाई जैसे है. अभी भी आपका रिश्ता रणबीर के साथ वैसे है?
मैं नहीं मिला हूँ उसको, काफी टाइम हो गया है. In fact, I'd even tried to reach out to him after Rishi ji, but I think he was kind of in his own space. I'd love to meet him again. Pandemic has kept all of us away from each other as well. But I have a very soft corner for him, and it'll always be there in my heart.
Thank you so much, Arjun. I'm happy you're back.
Thanks, good luck and wish you all the best for 2021.
Big hug, brother. See you, man.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Storytel and The Whole Truth Foods. Thank you for supporting us. So a great bunch of episodes this week. First, let me tell you about The Note with Mahrukh Inayat. It was featuring Asaduddin Owaisi. She spoke to the AIMIM leader to understand what the Indian Muslim voter wants and how his party is any different from the BJP. On Advertising is Dead, Varun spoke with Malika Sadani. Malika is the founder and CEO of the Moms Company. They discussed the science of motherhood. On Naan Curry with Sadaf and Archit, Dhananjay Chuck of the Edges and Sledges podcast showed up, so we did another crossover, this time with food and cricket. On Agla Station Adulthood, Ritasha and Ayushi talked to Gaurang Sangvi, head of digital business at DSP Mutual Fund. The episode has some logical and realistic advice, especially for millennials, on how to invest their money. Shunya One is back this week with Sheila Aditya and myself. We spoke to Anirudh Singla of Pepper Content this week. Really interesting conversation. Anirudh gave us some real deep insights into content creation and how they're thinking about different ways of creating it. Do check them out. Really fun show, really fun conversation. And with that, we hope to see you again next week.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से. Hi, I am Sadaf.
And I'm Arshit. खाने का इतिहास, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिसी, साइकोलॉजी सब है मेन्यू पे.
Only on the Nankari podcast every Wednesday सिर्फ IVM podcast ऐप या वेबसाइट पर या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो.